Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's KionnaSharice, and today I want to start a new series on my channel. I decided to do a separate intro video just in case this got a little chatty, which this might only be a few minutes long, but yeah, I just want to do a separate video. And before I even get started, y'all, so I did finally put up a painting behind me thinking that it would help with the background, but depending on how I sit, it's not even in the frame. So I'm just like, okay, but it's cute, right? I call it self-portrait. I didn't paint it. But anyways, I haven't settled on a name for this series yet. I figured it'll come to me by the time I get to editing. But it's gonna be sort of like I'm thinking Black Girl Tries something vibe. So to sum it up, I'm basically going to be trying out different aesthetics, but this is where the chatty part comes in. I'm gonna tell y'all how I got here. So for years, I've kind of been, I guess, questioning my own style because I feel like my style as far as clothes and things has been just getting what fits and what looks good. Like I know how to pull an outfit together to make myself look nice, but is it what I want to wear? I don't know, because like just growing up as a fat kid, I feel like, well, back when I was in like middle school, that era, there wasn't a whole lot out there in my size. It was very much giving grandma. And as I got older, and especially now, there's a lot more options, but still not a whole lot, but definitely a lot more than back then. Like it's kind of almost easy to forget that back then there was like nothing to wear that looked young, you know? So now I find myself, I definitely have more things like, how can I say? I feel like when I shop, I'm more so like that would look good on me rather than I really like that, if that kind of makes sense. That's kind of how I shop. And that's not necessarily bad. Like I feel a lot of people do that, like they try to accentuate themselves. But I never really played around with fashion and style. And for me, with my life right now, I feel like this is kind of a good time. So I've really been wanting to like dive into the alt aesthetic for a long time, but I wasn't really sure where to start or what was right and what to do, all that, because I'm definitely the type of person where I don't like to just try things. I like to be right. I'm very much, it's a problem, but I'm very much like it. There is a right way and there's a wrong way, and for me, there's not really in between. So it's like I wanted to do it right. So I started diving deep into YouTube the other day. I started with looking at goth aesthetic and goth makeup, and I looked at a bunch of videos, and then I came across MissDarcei's video, Black Girl Tries Gothic Makeup, and that got me thinking, like, because at first I was just trying these for myself. I was thinking I might make a quick TikTok, but that made me think, you know what, I could actually make this a series. This could be something of me actually giving these things a try on my channel. So I do want to shout out MissDarcei, because I did see the series. She has a series called Black Girl Tries on her channel, and I'm gonna link it down below, either her channel or the playlist, something. I did see that, and that made me think like I could do something like that too. So I am. So yeah, that's the series I'm going to start today. I want to take some time and do a little bit of research and watch some videos and all that good stuff on different aesthetics. And I want to try doing the makeup for my series, and then I'll pick out an outfit and a hairstyle, like whatever I think seems to fit. And along the way, I just kind of want to figure out, what do I like? What makes me feel cute, I guess. I don't know, because I feel cute, but what kind of gives me a little pizzazz, maybe that's the word I'm looking for. Because eventually, if this goes how I want it to go, I figure after several videos, I'll probably do a video where I just kind of make my own look and figure something out. And another reason I do want to attempt this series is just a little bit more representation. At first I played around with calling the series Black Fat Girl Tries, but then it felt like too much of a label, because then I was like, maybe just Kionna Tries, but the other adjectives are what is gonna help people find my channel, right? So I really don't know what I'm gonna call this series, but I do want to see more people who look like me in these different looks. I am seeing more and more, definitely more than I used to for sure, but I think just, you know, one more face out there doesn't hurt. And I feel like when you see someone like you wearing this type of stuff, it kind of gives you just a little more push, or I'm not sure what word I'm looking for, but kind of like it makes you feel a little bit more like, oh yeah, maybe I do like that, and I see someone like me wearing that, so maybe I'll wear it too. That's just kind of what I'm thinking. And I want to be clear, I'm not saying there's 0 women who out there who look like me who are doing these types of looks and who look like this, but I just want to, you know, maybe add to it. Let's see what I can come up with. But so far I've picked out like 5 type of looks that I want to give a try in this series. And if you have any suggestions, you can let me know, or as you watch the series, you can definitely comment along if there was something that a different way you wanted me to go about it, or maybe you thought I should have tried something more or looked into something more. You can definitely tell me that for sure. But the first part of my series should be uploaded like a few minutes after this, so I'm gonna go ahead and link that video right here, and I'm also gonna have it in the description box. But yeah, that's gonna wrap up my intro. I'm pretty excited about this, and I'm just excited to do something new, to have kind of like a series on my channel, because I feel like I just do a whole lot of reviews and I want to get into something more. So that's what I'm gonna give an attempt here to today. Well, this month, this time, we're gonna try. I'm gonna try. So that's it for the intro. If you want to keep up with me and what I'm doing, please subscribe to my channel so that you can get notified when I have new videos, and maybe turn on the bell notification as well. And I will see y'all in the next one in hopefully like 5 minutes. Bye.